Autodesk Inventor 2021 continues to deliver improvements requested by you and the Inventor user community. Through the Inventor Ideas and the Inventor Beta program, you provide your feedback to help improve Inventor with each release. Here are some customer-driven improvements for the drawing environment in Inventor 2021. Components set to reference in the Inventor bill of material have new visibility options in drawings, with additional options to show reference files in color and with or without dashed outlines. The ability to add automated centerlines to drawing views has been made easier to discover with a new button for automated centerline command in the ribbon. When dimensioning your views, we've improved the ability for Inventor to detect diameter dimensions in side or section views, even when selecting parallel geometry. And the new rotated option in the general dimension command allows you to rotate dimensions to any drawing geometry. To help you complete your documentation, we've streamlined the workflow for copying and pasting general tables within drawing sheets. And by popular request, the Measure tool has returned to the drawing environment, allowing you the ability to take additional measurements from Inventor drawings without creating additional annotations. Thank you for your continued feedback and encouragement as we work to make Inventor better for you. Check out these customer-driven improvements and more in Inventor 2021.